Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to Universal Programming. In this video, I am going to show what are the modifiers in Java. Let's start. The modifiers are classified into two types in Java. One, access modifier, and second one is non-access modifier. In access modifiers, we have four types: default, public, private, and protected. Let's see how to use these modifiers and how it works. I have two classes. Our first class name is class A and second main class public class modifier. This is our main class. Inside this main class I have four variables: A, B, C and D. For our first variable I have given no modifier, so it is default modifier. Int A is equal to 10. In my second variable B, I have given modifier private, and third as protected and fourth as public. Now I am using this extends keyword. We use extends keyword to inherit. This concept is called inheritance. On my later videos, I will give much clarity about the inheritance concepts. Let's see how it works. Int A is equal to 10. These four variables I can also access in this class A class also. Let's create an object. Note that we have to create our object to only subclass. Here class modifiers is our superclass and class A is our subclass. We have to create that an object to our subclass. Syntax to create an object: A obj is equal to new, end of the statement, semicolon. This is the syntax to create an object. Then this is the reference type to our object. Let's print variable A. System dot out dot print ln, end of the statement, semicolon. Now I'm printing a variable A. We get compile time error because it is a global variable, instance variable. So we have to create an object and we have to use that object reference obj dot A. Now my output will be the 10. I got my output is 10. Now I'm printing B value. Let's see how it works. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl B. Now I'm getting compile time error because the private class only accessible within a class. I'm using inheritance and also I cannot accessible because the private class only accessible inside a class only. Accessible inside a class only. This is default. The default variable accessible at package level. My package name is 1, so I can access this A at A value inside this package at anywhere. Accessible inside package level. Protected. I'm putting this in comment to avoid the errors. Let's print C. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, C. Now my output will be A value 10 and C value 30. 10 and 30. See, my output is 10 and 30. We can access protected variable anywhere in the program, but we can't access this protected variable in other package other package non subclass. I can access this protected variable other package in subclass, but I cannot access this protected variable in other package non subclass. I will show how it works. Protected in C. This is my package 1. What is a package? Package is it behaves like a container. Inside this container we have classes and methods. Inside this package 1 I have this 2 classes and 4 variables and 1 main method. This is my second package, package 2, and my class name is modifiers 1. Now I am accessing this protected variable inside this class, another package and non subclass. Let's print. Control C. Before we have to import this package to here. Import 1 dot star end of the statement semicolon. Why we use star means if I use star I can access all the classes and all the methods inside the one package. If I want to use only this modifier class I have to give instead of star modifiers. See, so I am giving star. I can access any class. Now I am printing this. I am getting this compile time error because I cannot access the protected variable inside another package non subclass. I can access this protected variable in a class, in a subclass, in the package level, in the other package, remember that in the other package subclass only we can access protected. In other package non subclass we cannot access the protected variable. Let's see. Extends modifiers. Now I have to create an object to this modifiers. Modifiers 1 obj1 is equal to new modifiers 1. One second, sorry, spelling mistake. Modifiers. Why I am creating an object to this class means I am using this extends keyword to use inheritance. So I can access all the methods and variables inside the modifiers class in this package. In this package I have modifiers, so I am extending here. If I not imported this one package I will get error. See, I got error. I have to import this package so to avoid the errors. Our object is 1. Object reference is 1, obj1. Now my output will be 30. Let's run our program. See, 30. We have to be very careful with this protected. We cannot access another package non subclass. We can access another package subclass. We cannot access another package non subclass. Let's see. This is the another package and it is non subclass. I cannot access. See, compile time error. Control C. Another package now. Public. The public modifier we use to access at anywhere. We can access this D variable anywhere in the program. Same class of the package, say subclass of the package, subclass of another package, non-subclass of another package. Let's see. I will print this D variable D. See, I got 40. I'm printing this D variable. Here my object is obj, not obj1. I got 40. We can access this public modifier anywhere in the program. It can be accessible at anywhere in the program. These are the 4 access modifiers in Java. Let's see about this public modifier in another package, non-subclass. If I didn't choose this extends modifiers, it will become the another package, non-subclass. So I'm using. Sorry. This is the way how we use the access modifiers. Remember that. Wait a second. Note. We can use these access modifiers to class, to variables, and for methods also. I'm just using for only variables. If you see carefully, the main method also contains one modifier, that is public. And in this program we have our main class. Our main class has public modifier. We cannot use 2 public classes in a program. We will get compile time error. See, public error, I got error. So one public class must be there. Only one public class should be there. No, modifiers can be used for classes, variables, methods. These are the access modifiers. On my later video I will explain about the non-access modifiers. That is, one of the non-access modifier is static. Thank you for watching.